Hello, 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 and welcome. Welcome to the basement. All right. So, in the last few episodes, I've been looking at some records. That's disturbing. And I did know that somewhere down here, I had found a record player thing. I don't know if it works. I have no clue. Oh, there's the sound cables. Hang on here. Oh, there. I say there is the power cable. So I will plug it in. I think, oh, maybe this wasn't supposed to just come off like that. Oh dear. Okay. So that sits like that. Okay. The arm here comes out. There's the speed thing. Aha! It is spinning. I think there's a little, oh yeah, there's a little thing over there. Okay. So, there is hope that it works. There is. Yep, that puts it down. That lifts it up. And if I switch to the 45 speed, it does seem to speed up. It does. Now, there's... I don't have anything else here to connect it to. But what I can do is I can take a record here. I can move this into position. I can tell it to go down. And indeed, if I listen very closely, incredibly closely, I can hear it playing even though it's not playing. If you know what I mean. So it does seem to be working. It does seem. But is it really? I don't know. I mean, what really matters is that the sound come out of here. What is this thing? Oh, looks like a grounding cable of some sorts. As if the sound come out of here. Left and right. I am going to do something. And I don't know if it's going to make any difference. I'm going to take my microphone. I'm going to put it right near this. So you can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear it ever so gently doing its thing here. So, this is encouraging. I'm going to push the up button so it lifts up ever so gently. I wonder if it gets all the way over here. Does it go back? Well, it shuts off. And then it starts up again. Anyway, Good enough. Alright, so I seem to have a record player that does in fact work. I am pondering my next move because taking this all the way upstairs and trying to connect it where things are would be that would be in the pet room, and that would be quite something. But here are my thoughts at this moment. I'm going to look here and see if I have a 1701 or a 1702 or some other Commodore monitor that I'm sure I do that has audio inputs, and it also has an amplifier. And I'm going to see what I can see, or better put, see what I can hear. That is my plan. So, let's see if this goes down nicely after I kind of screwed it. Oh, is it in? Yeah, it kind of does. It's very dusty, this thing, but that is not surprising. It's been down here for a while. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to head off in that direction and look for a monitor that I might be able to test this with. So stay tuned. We'll see you again soon back in the basement. Bye for now.